U.S. Highway 58, otherwise known as Route 58, is a scenic stretch of road going from east to west along the southern border of Virginia. It goes from Cumberland Gap, Tennessee, all the way to Virginia Beach, right around 508 miles. Although it's not the quickest way to get to the beach, it's probably the most scenic route you could take to get out through there. Now, we're not going to ride the 508 miles today, but we're going to ride a little piece here between Weber City, Virginia, and getting over close to Bristol, Virginia, Bristol, Tennessee area. Today is May the 2nd of 2024. The temperature is around 80, 85, and as you can see, it's a bright sunny day. Some perfect riding weather. I'm out here with my old buddy Greg. He's on his 2016 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. I'm on the 91 Goldwing Interstate, which I got from my brother-in-law when he passed away. You might catch a glimpse of Greg back there every now and again. He rides so far back that the camera don't pick him up too good. I plotted out this ride on the Rever mapping app, but from the get-go today, it's been trying to get me to take the route backwards, and I've pretty much just been winging it, just looking at my map and trying to pick out what I had planned originally, because I can't listen to the lady getting me all confused, trying to get me to turn around and go backwards. So here we are 2 minutes into the video, and I'll just go ahead and ask you to sit back, relax, enjoy the video, ride along with us as we make our way over towards Abingdon. Greg and I, neither one ever get in too big of a hurry. Greg might be actually a little bit slower than I am. He is a little bit older, I guess, but we try to obey the speed limit. Don't want to have any cops chasing after us. Greg gets much farther back, I'm going to lose him. It'd be a bad spot to run up on grass in the road, right there in that curve. We're gonna have to do that ride to Boone, North Carolina one of these days. The Crooked Road. The Crooked Road is a 333-mile scenic road trip through Virginia that's designed to celebrate the music of the state and the people who make the music. Winds through the mountains of southwest Virginia. Covers 19 counties, 4 cities, and more than 50 towns and communities. We'll have to plan that route out one of these days and try to make that trip. Boozy Creek Road. This right here is going to be another example of me just winging it. I had saw this road on the map and I knew I could follow it all the way to Abingdon, but it didn't quite turn out that way. After a few miles, the road shot off to the left and wasn't marked very well. It also wasn't a marked highway. It was just a like a secondary road, and I missed the turn, of course. I think here at the Y is where I missed the road. Which valley? I don't know. I should have took a left right there. It wasn't like I was going to get lost, so we just kept on a trucking. just taking roads. That is quite the golf course there. Which way do we go?
I threw out the balls before I got to the first green. I don't know.
Beats me. Well, we're finally coming out on a road that I recognize. This is Highway 58 and 19 running together. Been on 58 all my life. Well, that's going to be about all for this video, folks. We've arrived in Abingdon here. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.